Looking for the best wireless video doorbell for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 wireless video doorbell that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a wireless video doorbell that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended wireless video doorbell. Number 1 on the list is Nooie Video Doorbell. Whilst best wireless doorbells offer high-definition resolutions up to 1080p, which is standard HD, Nooie has gone one step further with their contemporary video doorbell design with a 2K video resolution. This means more detail, more quality, and bigger scope when checking videos for unwanted attention at your doorstep. Its advanced human detection algorithm, paired with passive infrared technology, equates to accurate human detection. Long story short, this means no more alert if your neighbor's cat runs past your front door. It features a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery for up to 6 months worth of use, possibly more if you're a dedicated hermit. It works on a USB-C charging cable, so feel free to install one and keep it plugged in at all times. It's super easy to install. Simply attach the backplate to your door wall, clip on, attach to your Wi-Fi network, and away you go. Second on the list is WUUK Smart Video Doorbell. It's always a good idea to have a clear, high-definition picture when seeing who's at your front door. Better yet, a full 1080p crystal clear picture with a full body view should be enough to identify anyone from a delivery driver to a would-be thief. WUUK has even programs in quick replies for when you aren't home, but there's always the option of full two-way conversations remotely. This always comes in handy when missing deliveries. This best wireless doorbell detects when someone is at your door and pings you via your mobile app, taking only 0.35 seconds for the best wireless doorbell to wake up. Night vision also takes care of front door surveillance once the sun goes down, making sure you know who's at the door when and if you decide to answer. Some best wireless doorbells hook in a monthly subscription for cloud storage and other features, but not WUUK. Granted, its cloud backup facility only lasts for 48 hours after footage is uploaded, but this is plenty of time for users to download and save what they need. Number 3 on the list is Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 with Ring Chime Pro. Bundled with the Ring Chime Pro, Ring has put together a great package for Alexa users thanks to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This best wireless doorbell is on the expensive side of the scale, but it's a product that just works and works well. Its head-to-toe 1536p HD camera is just what you need in the best wireless doorbell for the best home security. It features two-way talk like its competition, but uses Amazon's Alexa to speak to visitors when you're not home, if you'd prefer that. Its built-in 3D motion sensor will pick up door knockers straight off the bat, ensuring you'll never miss a visitor, whilst also keeping an eye on your home's security. It also features an aerial view for motion detection around the home. Ring offers the Ring Protect plan, a subscription-based services that record all video, review content for up to 60 days and share videos and photos. Being completely honest, lower-priced competitors offer this service for free alongside the option of local storage, micro South Dakota cards. Keep those monthly subscriptions to a minimum where possible. Number 4 on the list is Sonew Wireless Video Doorbell. Sonew's best wireless doorbell offering may be budget and under $50, but it does have some worthwhile specifications for those smart home hubs on a budget. It features an HD 166-degree camera that is normally found in the best wireless doorbells double its price. To top this off, it has passive infrared detection for clear images at nighttime, making sure everyone in your home is safe when going to answer the door. Two-way calls are also possible on a budget thanks to Sonew's best wireless doorbell noise-reducing microphone. Some doorbells have greetings as an option that allows your doorbell to automatically instruct visitors when they arrive at your home. Ultimately, it's best to speak to them yourself. Most best wireless doorbell devices support this feature. It must be said, you get what you pay for. Sonew Wireless Video Doorbell has had several complaints regarding battery issues and having trouble finding replacement batteries. Whilst there's plenty of positive feedback online, do your homework before buying a cheap best wireless doorbell such as this one. Number 5 on the list is Chime by Wireless Video Doorbell. This best wireless doorbell prides itself on its long battery life and its included rechargeable batteries. Although they last up to 60% longer, you'll be running the risk of the batteries running out on any best wireless doorbell. The Chime wireless doorbell camera has a 166-degree viewing angle with a 17-foot range, even in its full HD night view mode. Recording video footage of your front porch, yard, or garden should be easy with this best wireless doorbell. A big feature of the Chime wireless doorbell is facial recognition. It uses AI and its edge sensor technology to recognize family and friends. This is then translated to an alert on your smart device. Chime boasts that their facial recognition technology flags up fewer negative results and aims for accuracy. Just now is a list of 5 best wireless video doorbell that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.